The Alonzo Upgrade has finally come. Now more than ever before, dApps, DEXs, crypto games, NFTs, and everything else that DeFi can offer are on the horizon for Cardano's users. But that is not all. In this video, we will cover the latest Cardano news, updates, and price action. From new partnerships to crypto games projects being developed in Cardano's network, we will show you why we believe ADA is about to rally to new all-time highs. Before we begin, make sure to watch this video until the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, as well as to turn on the notifications so you always know when a new video comes out. A disclaimer alert is now in effect. This video is for informational purposes only. We recommend that you always seek professional advice. Let's start. Number 5. Alonzo Upgrade. Cardano rolled out its Alonzo Upgrade earlier this month. In the first 24 hours, Cardano had already seen over 100 smart contracts being processed. By the making of this video, it is still not clear how many smart contracts have been processed, with some people claiming to be somewhere between 300 to over 48,000 contracts. We will wait for the actual number, but nevertheless, this is huge. Charles Hoskinson even posted the article about the first day success on Twitter and stated, "Moving the chains every day." Sure, on the first day, 100 smart contracts wasn't something crazy, but since then, people are more confident now that they saw everything is working well and that the upgrade had been a success. One thing is certain, we won't be surprised if the number of smart contracts in the network skyrocket. With this increasing number of smart contracts, we will be seeing more and more dApps, NFTs, and DeFi rolling out and being built for Cardano's network users, which takes us to our next headline. Number 4. A-Starter. Emergo has teamed up with China-based technology firm Blockchain 4A to form A-Starter, a joint venture to build DeFi services infrastructure on Cardano. The joint venture combines Emergo's technical expertise and deep understanding of Cardano as one of its founding entities with Blockchain 4A's experiences in developing DeFi technical infrastructure. A-Starter will start the development of an initial decentralized exchange, offering Launchpad to be released by the end of the year, along with a decentralized exchange on Cardano to follow. Upon completion, A-Starter will also plan to integrate lending and borrowing features, aka a decentralized money market, on Cardano. These services aim to bring more utility to ADA users and open up financial services to a greater number of people in underserved regions. Emergo CEO Ken Kodama stated, "Decentralized finance has appealed to the crypto community through its improved transparency, security, and credibility of processing financial transactions. The value of crypto assets under management in DeFi apps has risen sharply." Number 3. Drunken Dragon and Cardano. In a recent interview, the developer Vledic Franco has confirmed that his company Drunken Dragon Games is one of the few building game videos in the Cardano platform. For those who don't know, Vledic was in Cohort 1 of the Plutus Pioneers program, which is IOHK's education program that teaches people about Cardano smart contracts. In the interview, when Vledic was asked why he chose Cardano over other blockchains, he answered, quote, "Its end goal, the culture and the community. The objective of improving the systems of the world is something that I share with Charles Hoskinson, IOHK, and Cardano. Also, the culture of doing things correctly, doing the proper investments up front, and not fearing the academy. These are things I find very powerful." The fact that video game developers such as Vledic are building on Cardano's network is a big deal. After all, the gaming industry is one of the biggest industries in the world, and as we have seen before with crypto case studies such as Axie Infinity, this can leverage Cardano's adoption. Also, let's not forget that many of the game-related tokens have been moving differently from the rest of the crypto market, attracting not only new gamers, but new investors every day. For those who are interested in reading the interview, we will leave a link in the description below. Number 2. The Cardano Summit. The Cardano Summit 2021 will take place on September 25th to 26th, and it will feature a mix of virtual and live events, and it will be hosted by the Ethiopian company iSaddis in Addis Ababa. According to Sydney Volmer, Cardano's head of brand and communications, the summit includes partnership announcements that will blow people's minds. This is big, because even though a lot of times we see crypto companies hype up projects and announcements, Cardano doesn't seem to be doing that. Instead, said, Cardano has been delivering on everything that they announce. So if they say that there is a big announcement or partnerships coming out, they usually deliver exactly that on the scheduled date. This means that we could see the announcements that Cardano needs in order to propel ADA's price later this month. So if you are an ADA hodler, we are sure that you will want to mark these dates in your calendar. Number 1. ADA's price action and BTC's Golden Cross. You might be a little confused now, but hear us out. This past week, some major things happened to BTC that have affected the entire crypto market, and that includes Cardano. One of them was the Golden Cross that has taken place on Bitcoin's daily chart, which means a 50-day moving average crossing above the 200 days moving average. This is an extremely important milestone, as the last time we have seen it happen, back in May 2020, Bitcoin rallied over 600%. This explosion on BTC's prices affected the entire crypto market, which many experts believe to happen again soon with this Golden Cross taking place on the charts. For now, we will have to wait and observe to see whether the market sustains this breakout or whether prices will consolidate from there. Either way, the crypto market is likely to mirror these movements, and that includes Cardano too. However, what about ADA's price action? Well, right now, ADA seems to be hovering between $2.40 and $2.47, but in terms of technical analysis, there are a couple of key things lining up which could push ADA to the $8 or $10 range. Beside BTC's Golden Cross being optimistic for this to come true, ADA's price is on a very strong support on the $2.40 mark, which is the same mark of ADA's all-time high during the last bull run. There are many reasons why many experts are saying that ADA is likely to reach the $8 to $10 range by the end of this cycle. The first being the Alonzo Upgrade, which, as we mentioned before, will bring a great number of decentralized applications, increasing Cardano's adoption rate. The second reason would be ADA's price consolidation, which is heavily compared to the last bull run, as its price consolidated to a month before rallying over 600%. This wasn't an instant movement, and it did happen over a 6-month period, which makes us remember that there are corrections in the market and that we need to be patient. We believe it is likely that ADA's price will consolidate until the Cardano Summit at the end of the month, and, depending how this event goes, it could be the catalyst that ADA needs to break out. But what do you think about Cardano and the latest updates? Let us know in the comments below. We hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you did, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel so you are always up to date with the latest crypto news and analysis. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the description below. See you guys next time. Take care.